I feel like I am going out there to win for it.
Ever since I was a kid, I loved being inside the water. I just feel free.
Je me sens vraiment bien. J'ai l'impression d'être un poisson dans l'eau.
We've been playing golf since we were kids. It's a dream come true being able to caddy for them.
My brother's been doing an amazing job.
It's been amazing on so many different fronts. You know, personally, socially, professionally, it's an unbelievable challenge. It's really amazing.
And it's not just for winning or losing. For me, it's just having fun.